What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing today? We're with none other than RevBomb out here, about to go get some food, hang out, chill, talk, bullshit. It's been a minute. I don't know how long this video is going to be, or even if this will end up on the internet, but we're about to roll out. We'll see if I don't get lost on a 6-minute ride. I'll probably get lost though. Yeah, I know. I'll still get lost. It happens. What cage is that? What? Whose cage is that? Is theirs? Yeah. Oh, you did the steel? Yeah. I see this. I like the, but see, I wanted the gold and the. I just love the look of that. He was trying to get me to do red, and I was like, it's gotta be gold. Gold's gotta. Make this U-turn. There you go. So I think we're going to Island Burgers, but I don't know which way to go. So once we go left, I don't know if it's on the right. I don't know what the fuck is up. Man, it has been a minute since I hung out with this dude. It's fucking crazy. It's been a long minute, man. Too long. Oh, that's fucking dope. That is fucking dope. I'd totally rock one of those. That is low too. It's been a minute since I've been here. I haven't been to islands in shit, I don't even know how long. I haven't been here in fuck, I don't know how long. We used to go in San Diego because it's right next to IKEA. Where you do all your window shopping when you buy a house, when you're wishing to buy a house. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, see? That's how my back tire is. See right here? Oh, this side's not as bad. Like some parts are pretty bad, but it's flat as shit. It wouldn't start this morning. It was too cold, man. I need a new battery. Man, look at that. An hour and 44 minutes to get home. But it's worth it. Come out, hang out with the boy. I haven't seen him in ages. I don't even know how long it is. Look, there's snow up there. There you go. You gotta press the button. Sometimes you gotta do it. There we go. I should have done that. That was a smart thing to do right there. Sometimes a little quick ride out, I mean, it wasn't quick, but a little ride out to meet someone you haven't seen in a while, even though it's a bit of ways, like it says, an hour and 40 minutes, it's definitely worth it, man. It was fucking awesome seeing him. We just basically hung out, ate, talked, bullshit, caught up on shit, and just talked to each other, man. It's been a minute. So it's always nice just sitting down and being able to chill and talk with someone and catch up with the homie. So that was super fucking cool. Big shout out for him because he rode about the same distance from his house that I rode from my house. So we just kind of met in the middle because we don't live too close to each other. So that was pretty dope. Anyways, with that said, guys, I knew it was going to be a short video. I didn't think we were going to do too much. The place that I initially wanted to go to was actually closed, and that would have given us a little bit more of a ride. But that place was fucking closed. So we ended up just going to Island Burger. And, I mean, Island Burger isn't, like, fucking amazing by any means. So nothing really to write home about on that one. I hope I went on the right one. It really didn't tell me. I think I got it. Alright, we're good. Look at that. That's so fucking spectacular. That is absolutely spectacular. It actually, just looking at it makes me feel colder though. I definitely feel a bit colder. Oh, it's windy. It is definitely windy. Anyways, that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's bittersweet, a little short, but really we just hanging out. It was kind of fun to just chill and talk to each other. It's been a minute. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, peace.